Optimal stabilization temperature reached. All systems green.
Confirmed. We are ready for the cutting phase.
A high-resolution optical scanner moves along the 15-meter titanium spar, its blue laser probing for microscopic.
Check the tolerances on the spar. Feed rate is holding steady at 95%.
Surface roughness parameters confirmed.
Tolerances are well within limits.
Check the routing on the flight control bundle.
Confirmed. Matches schematic 7B.
Heat shrinks are secure.
Pressure reading holding steady at 40,000 psi.
Confirmed. Bonding sequence nominal. Data. Check the transducer reading.
Channel 3 is showing a minor deviation.
Alignment check on section 4.
Looks perfect. Aerodynamic profile maintained.
Sealant application is flawless.
The non-contact gauge sweeps across the wing, confirming the radar-absorbent coating's uniformity, essential for maintaining the aircraft's signature control.
Confirming temperature and humidity settings are nominal.
Bake cycle engaged. Surface finish application complete.
The data looks good. Perfectly maintained contours.
Confirmed. The texture and color are uniform.
All parameters are within tolerance. The laser etching looks good.
Agreed. Let's sign off on the certification.
This specialized protective wrapping ensures product consistency during transport and storage.
The titanium housing block is loaded into the final honing machine, initiating the dedicated secondary product manufacturing sequence. Specialized servo valves are meticulously installed. The process is monitored by a torque sensor, ensuring precise seating and functional consistency.
Filtered, light purple hydraulic fluid is slowly injected, displacing all air to guarantee zero cavitation during operation.
A fine mist of fluorescent detection fluid is sprayed onto the pressurized actuator. As the
Piston rod looks good.
Confirmed. Ready for integration.
Alignment pin inserted. Check the tolerances.
Looks good. Starting the torque sequence now.
Final check on bolt 7.
Reading confirmed. Structural integrity nominal.
Smoothness. Specialized hydraulic lines are manually connected using quick connect high-pressure fittings.
Tupolev Tu-160 showcases its high-lift configuration. The hydraulic actuator unit, product B.
The hydraulic actuator unit, product B, enables this dramatic sweep, essential for the transition to supersonic flight. The precise control of the hydraulic actuator unit sweeps the wing back, confirming aerodynamic tuning for high-speed operation.
The entire Vortex flight profile is dependent on the reliable, sustained performance of the hydraulic actuator unit.
The flight computer commands a slight adjustment to the wing sweep angle for increased efficiency. The hydraulic actuator.
The precise controlled movement is powered by the hydraulic actuator unit, product B, ensuring a smooth aerodynamic.
The data confirms the actuator's response times, pressure levels, and temperature profiles remain nominal throughout the